Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mute someone's posts on Instagram Feeds easy and quick. First, all you have to do is just open Instagram Feeds. Now just let's go to any account to any profile like this profile, and then uh, click these 3 points here in the top corner and click mute. And now you can mute posts just by clicking this one here, mute posts, and that's it. Now you can unmute it whenever you want, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.